Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to use the emoji or stickers on our Insta story. So first thing we have to do is go into the story sections by just slightly scroll the screen into the left side until we are generated into the story sections, and then after that we can go into the media on this downside on the left corner, and then now we can choose which picture that we want to have for this story. For me, I want to have this. And then how we can add the emoji, we can just click in the random positions on our screen, and it will be generated into the typography or the typing sections. You can just click this emoji on your keyboard, and then now you can choose any emoji that you want to put on your Insta story. For me, I want to have swan, so I want to type a swan, and after that, after I found it, I just click the swan, and I want to put many swan here. And after we finish to put an emoji, just click done, and then we can adjust the positions of the emoji is what we want, like that. And if you want to have a stickers, you can go into the you can randomly click the screens too, and then go into the same button here, the emoji, and now you can choose any stickers that your phones generate or facilitate to you. For me, I want to have this, and just the same, I want to adjust the positions of the stickers. And after we finish, we just need to click a story to upload our story. And now the story is in the processing to being uploaded. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.